Survival craft, the ship's lifeboats.
Lifeboats are designed to disembark passengers and crew in the event of having to abandon ship. The ship's 6 lifeboats, on Emerald Deck number 5, are numbered 1, 3 and 5 starboard, 2, 4 and 6 port. Numbers 1 and 2, which are also used as fast rescue boats in case of man overboard, have a capacity of 60 persons. Numbers 3, 4, 5 and 6 have a capacity of 150 persons, including crew members and staff. It may not be your job to launch or operate a lifeboat, but all on-board personnel are required to know the details regarding its preparation and launching, as well as the use of the equipment it contains. In an emergency, your knowledge may be vital, should the designated personnel be incapacitated. Information regarding the operation of survival craft is posted by them. A lifeboat is launched as follows. Check and remove any obstruction on deck. Remove the safety pins from the embarkation rail and put them safely aside. Throw over the embarkation ladder. Put the handrails in position. During drills, remove the electrical plug. This would not be necessary in an emergency. Untie and prepare the man ropes. Tie back the covers of the entrances to the lifeboat. Remove the safety pins fore and aft. Open the slip hooks fore and aft. Remove and keep hold of the safety ropes for securing the wires. Release the brake to detach the lifeboat slightly. Remove the safety wires by hook. Lower the boat to the boarding position. Rig and tighten the bowsing tackle. Release the tricing pendant using the hammer provided. Secure the painter to the ship. Embark passengers left to right, using the sailor's grip. First disabled and injured, then women with babies and children, followed by the rest. The lifeboat would then be lowered by paying out the bowsing tackle and releasing the brake, which can also be done from inside the lifeboat. Lifeboats are lowered by gravity only, and so are not affected by electrical power failure.